Buddy Tyler here, giving you your 60-second marketing hack for the day. And today I wanted to direct you to a COVID 2020 playbook, which is what Google calls it. It's a PDF they released this month, pretty much walking businesses and specifically marketing departments through the crisis and how we can adapt and respond and recover, as you can see in this graphic. Now, they reference this throughout the document, so I'm going to go over this quickly. First phase of this is responding. So that's what we're in right now. So that's what's happening. We're responding to changes in demand and different KPIs. And what we should be doing is solving what matters today to get us ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow being the rebuilding phase. Rebuilding, we're looking deeper into analytics. We're trying to think of new ways to measure things. And what we should be doing is preparing to capture this dynamic demand and prepare for the recovery phase. This is the last phase. And here we're kind of reframing our whole business model, as it were, and adapting to the things that we learned during the crisis. So hopefully this helps. Highly recommend you take a look at this. Thank you and have a great day.